When I first started, it was one of the few ones. Actually, it was the first one that we came across. That was 8 years ago, in 2004. So right then and there, it had advantage. And also, we know George personally, and we dealt with him in the past. So that's why it's a good segue into the ROM system. We typed everything up on the spreadsheets and the Excel sheets. Yeah, and then the invoices on QuickBooks, it's just, it wasn't a complete a suite of applications where all the little things were tied in together. The invoices, the purchase orders, the shipping documents, among other things, were tied in. The aha moment is just we spend too much time on these things and just keep typing these things over and over again. And it was a hassle. And it would take an hour or 2 hours a day for a person, whereas now it's basically literally minutes here, there, and everything's connected. I think there's an ordering system, and the public purchase and then the dealer section are all tied together. So the documents, bill of lading, the weight tickets, all those things are integrated into one package, and therefore it's very easy. If you hit a button and then everything just comes out, it shoots out of the printer, and then there you go. You enter the weights, and all the names are pre-programmed in there. So it's a one-time setup thing, and once it's set up, it's a recurring document. It's easy. Once you set them up, and then once you show them once or twice, and then train them for 3-4 hours, it becomes easy. And then inside the office, it requires more training. The office functions, the dealer functions, the accounting functions, that requires a little bit more training. But once it's set up, once it's configured properly, once it's ongoing, it's relatively easy. I would say for us, we really get into it. We weren't really comfortable until 6 months, 3 months. Well, we were able to use it, but there's a hesitancy in 2 weeks through, 3 weeks through, 4 weeks through, and the ease really sets in about 3 to 6 months after continual use, daily use. Well, I wouldn't go back to the old way.